Things to learn in BAM's internship, 20 points. Clinical and practical skills include 1. 4 fluids and types, isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic, colloids. 2. Intracath, 4 cannula, types, sizes and uses. 3. Dressing methods, simple, surgical, burn, pressure. 4. Injections, types and methods, ID, SC, IM. 4.5. Male and female catheterization. 6. Normal parturition process. 7. Suturing, types and methods. 8. NG tube, nasogastric tube, insertion. 9. Oxygen therapy, types of delivery methods. 10. Blood transfusion basics, groups, cross-matching, reactions. Emergency and critical care include 11. Basic life support, BLS, and CPR, adult and pediatric. 12. Emergency management, burns, snake bite, shock, trauma. 13. Poison and antidotes. 14. ECG basics, recognizing normal and abnormal patterns. Preventive and public health include 15. Vaccination schedules, national immunization schedule, cold chain. 16. Medico-legal cases, types, documentation, reporting. Hospital practices include 17. Sample collection, blood, urine, stool, sputum. 18. Wound management, first aid, debridement, infection prevention. 19. Hospital documentation, case sheets, discharge summary, consent. 20. Biomedical waste management, segregation, color-coded bins, safe disposal. During a primary health center, PHC, posting, a BAMS intern should focus on developing both clinical and community-oriented skills. The PHC is the first point of contact between doctors and the rural population, so learning here builds a strong foundation. Here's a point-wise list of things a BAMS intern should learn during primary health center, PHC, posting. 1. Structure and functioning of PHC, understanding healthcare delivery at the grassroots. 2. National health programs, immunization, maternal and child health, family planning, disease control. 3. Antenatal and postnatal care, conducting checkups, counseling, identifying high-risk cases. 4. Normal delivery, assisting or conducting under supervision. 5. Record keeping and registers birth, death, immunization, and patient records. 6. Public health surveillance, outbreak investigation, and epidemic control measures. 7. History taking and clinical examination, assessing common complaints in rural populations. 8. Management of common illnesses, fever, diarrhea, respiratory infections, hypertension, diabetes. 9. Minor procedures, wound dressing, suturing, if needed, incision and drainage. 10. Administration of injections and 4 fluids, safe technique and monitoring. 11. Dispensing medicines, learning about essential drugs at PHC level. 12. Vaccination schedules, practicing immunization and safe handling of vaccines. 13. Health education and counseling, nutrition, hygiene, sanitation, breastfeeding, lifestyle diseases. 14. Community interaction, developing communication and trust with patients. 15. Referral system, identifying cases needing higher level care. This posting helps interns gain clinical skills, preventive health knowledge, and community empathy, making them confident frontline doctors.